Welcome back to Future Fuel. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of Cadillac to explore the rebirth of an icon, the 2025 Cadillac Eldorado. This is more than just a car. It's a statement of elegance, innovation, and timeless American style. A legacy reimagined. The Eldorado nameplate has always been synonymous with luxury. First introduced in 1953, it represented Cadillac's commitment to delivering opulence and performance. Now, in 2025, Cadillac has brought this icon back to life, blending its rich heritage with cutting-edge technology and modern design. The 2025 Eldorado doesn't just pay homage to its predecessors, it redefines what luxury means in the modern era. Exterior design. One glance at the new Eldorado, and it's clear, this car is designed to turn heads. Cadillac has embraced a sleek, futuristic aesthetic while maintaining the boldness that made the original Eldorado a classic. The front grille is a masterpiece, featuring a shimmering pattern that reflects Cadillac's signature style. The sharp LED lighting elements, including the vertical headlights and taillights, create a striking visual identity. The long, sweeping lines of the body evoke the grandeur of classic American luxury cars, but with a contemporary twist. The Eldorado's wheels are equally impressive, with massive 22-inch alloys and intricate detailing that showcase Cadillac's attention to craftsmanship. It's a car that commands presence from every angle. Interior luxury. Step inside the 2025 Cadillac Eldorado, and you're transported to a world of unparalleled comfort and sophistication. Cadillac has spared no expense in crafting an interior that feels like a luxury lounge on wheels. The cabin is wrapped in premium materials, including hand-stitched leather, real wood accents, and brushed metal finishes. Ambient lighting creates a serene atmosphere, customizable to suit your mood. The centerpiece is a massive 33-inch curved OLED display that seamlessly integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system. Every detail is meticulously thought out, from the crystal rotary dials to the plush seating with massage functions. Rear passengers are treated to first-class accommodations, with reclining seats, individual climate controls, and entertainment screens. It's a vehicle designed to pamper every occupant. Electrified performance. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, the 2025 Eldorado is powered by Cadillac's cutting-edge Ultium electric platform. This EV setup delivers both performance and efficiency, ensuring the Eldorado is as powerful as it is eco-conscious. With an estimated range of up to 400 miles on a single charge, the Eldorado is perfect for long-distance cruising. Dual electric motors produce a combined 600 horsepower, propelling the car from 0 to 60 in just 4.2 seconds. Despite its size and luxury, the Eldorado delivers exhilarating acceleration and responsive handling. Cadillac has also equipped the Eldorado with advanced adaptive suspension, ensuring a silky smooth ride even on less-than-perfect roads. This is a car that glides effortlessly, whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets. Cutting-edge tech. The 2025 Eldorado is packed with technology that enhances both convenience and safety. Cadillac's latest Super Cruise system comes standard, offering hands-free driving on compatible highways. The AI-powered navigation system can predict traffic patterns and suggest optimal routes, making every journey stress-free. The Eldorado also features an augmented reality heads-up display, projecting essential information directly onto the windshield. Combine that with a 38-speaker AKG sound system, and you've got a driving experience that's as immersive as it is luxurious. A bold step forward. The return of the Eldorado is more than just a revival of a legendary nameplate, it's a bold statement of Cadillac's future. By combining timeless elegance with cutting-edge innovation, the 2025 Eldorado sets a new benchmark for what a luxury car can be. Whether you're a fan of its rich history or a newcomer drawn to its modern appeal, the Eldorado is a car that captures the imagination. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying every moment of the journey. Closing. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2025 Cadillac Eldorado. What do you think about this luxurious resurrection? Is it a worthy successor to the Eldorado legacy? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to A Future Fuel for more updates on the latest cars shaping the future of mobility. Until next time, keep dreaming big and driving electric.